welcome to another video on PhyllingPhyne, and this video I will be sharing with you what I did on a day-by-day basis for my 4 days 3-night cruise on board Royal Caribbean's Quantum of the Sea, and I hope you enjoy the activities that I took part in as well, and you will be able to plan a great time for yourself on board this 4 days 3-night cruise. Let's watch!
Ship. Woo! Yay! Hi, we're looking for 654.
654.
Okay, thank you very much. Gonna try boogie boarding. Woo!
Stand up, stand up!
Like a falling
Hi guys, so that was the end of day 1. Although it was barely half a day, we managed to accomplish so many activities. So remember, after you've passed immigration and boarded the cruise, the first thing you have to do is to report to your master station and complete the safety drill. You will be given a green sticker and you have to leave it on your room card at all times. Your room card is also your SeaPass, so do bring it along with you. And once we boarded, we changed out, and what we did is that we changed into our swimsuits and we headed straight to Flowrider. Day 1 is the best day to play this as there are no queues. So we tried out boogie boarding at Flowrider, and boy was that fun. Next, we also booked bumper cars via the app, so remember to log onto the Royal app and book your slots for bumper cars across 3 days if you would like as well. Next, we managed to catch the tropical band live at night after our dinner, so that was some entertainment in the evening. And we ended the day with a game show called Majority Rules, which is hosted by the cruise director's staff on board. So that was a pretty packed day one, I would say, and stay tuned for what's to come on day two.
So there are people actually using this running track, which runs around the ship. One round is like 500 odd meters. Pretty impressive. Someone coming through. Wow. Alright. We're going to the gym right here. Let's go to the dining room.
Hi, good morning. Okay, thank you. Yay. Hi, morning, two of us, yes. 12654. Morning, two. Thank you very much. This way. Morning. Ooh. Yes. Thank you. Morning. 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 Thank you. Morning. Thank you very much. Great, thank you. Thank you.
We're here to play letter swap puzzles. So this is one of the many games that we have on the ship. If you can't entertain yourself with shows, I guess games the way to go. So they convert a bar into a game area in the afternoon. It should be pretty chill at night as well. So that was the end of day 2, and it was a very packed day. We started our day early with a visit to the gym at 7 a.m. Remember to book your gym slots as well at guest services or call their direct line. Next, we also managed to visit the rock climbing wall. This was very popular with kids and adults alike, so do try to be there early as there will be a queue. And do remember that there's also a night rock climbing session, so you could also perhaps try that after dinner if you wish as well. Third, what we did was to actually play table tennis at the Seaplex, and that was really fun, and all equipment are required. Just turn up in your covered shoes. And lastly, at Seaplex, we also did a K-pop dancing class, which is also led by some very energetic royal staff on board as well. And we actually visited the solarium, which is the adults only pool. So I think you have to be above 16 to visit the solarium, and that was pretty fun. But do note that due to safe distancing measures, there were pretty limited availability because you could only have a group to a certain pool at a point in time. And throughout the day, we also participated in many game shows and trivias. So there were the letter swap puzzles and also name that tune Michael Jackson hits. You could also guess cartoon characters, as well as look at international landmarks and guess what they were and where they were. So those were the trivias that we joined for the day. And we also caught some really good music as well. There was the Quantum of the Seas Orchestra, which performed a few times today. And also there was Guitar Melodies by Yuri. He was really talented and he played some classical and pop hits that you will be sure to be familiar with. And after dinner, we ended our day also by making our first trip to the casino, which was packed. And I would say that it was quite eye-opening. It was my first visit to a casino, having not been to, MBS or RWS. So if you are on board this cruise, do check out the casino and you might want to try your luck there as well. So that's the end for day 2. So it's day 3 and it's also the last full day of a 4-day 3-night cruise, and here are some things that we did today. They were mainly at the Seaplex where there's a lot of activities. So we played air hockey. Do note that it's actually chargeable for each play. We also rented and played the foosball table as well as Xbox. So there were plenty of families and kids at the Seaplex having fun as well. So this is where you can look for family-friendly activities. After that, we also joined a pop dance class at the Seaplex atrium or courts itself, and that was pretty fun, dancing to 2 of the most popular hits in the past few years. Next, we also did a few trivias. We played the Dingbats trivias, and we also did the Name the Celebrity trivia, and also naming and catching the Abertune trivias. So just to show you, here are some of our trivia spoils or prizes that we won over the past few days. There's this pen, a keychain, and some of these tie looking things. I don't know what this is. If you know what it is, just comment in the section, comment below, in the sections down below. And besides the trivias, we also did a live DIY pop-up card making session, and this was what we made. You can also make something cool like this when you're on board the ship for your vacation. That was all for the last day of our cruise, and tomorrow we will be disembarking. And this is PhyllingPhyne channel. If you do enjoy my video, please hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to my PhyllingPhyne channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned!